Hello foodies, today we bring to you another super delicious recipe of beef fillets in a sweet and spicy masala basically. Super amazing for your Eid al-Adha table, but also an amazing everyday dish. So let's get started with the ingredients. For this you're going to need about 1 kilogram of eye round beef, which you want to cut thinly into slices. You want to make sure that's thinly cut. That's like the main part of this. So like parche is what you call it in Urdu. That's what you need. So then with this we also need 1 1/4 tablespoon of red chili, 1 1/4 tablespoon of salt, followed by 1/2 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, as well as 3 1/4 tablespoons of garam masala powder. Then another very important step for this is you need 3 onions, which are very thinly sliced, 3-inch block of ginger, which you will thinly slice, as well as 1 bunch of coriander chopped, and 4 Thai green chilies that have also been roughly chopped. You will also need 1 1/2 cups of yogurt, as well as 2 tablespoons of ginger and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. So let's get started with the cooking. So in a pot, you're going to be putting in about 1 cup of oil. Let that heat up. And once that's heated up, you're going to add in your onions and let those come to a nice golden brown. And then once those are nicely browned, you can just remove them from the oil. For sure, I will recommend this dish. It's so delicious. Literally not many ingredients, not many steps, but it's one of those dishes which will literally wow people because it's something really, really different that you don't usually see a lot of people making. So once those onions are brown, just take them out on a paper towel. And then what you want to do is take the meat as well as all of the spices and the yogurt and marinate that. You have to do it at least for 30 minutes, but it's perfect to do the day before. So once you have that marinated meat, you want to add that into the oil, followed by the ginger and the garlic paste. And then what we're going to do is add in about 1 1/2 cups of water and just let that cook on high heat. This is what you want to end up with. You want all the water to evaporate and the masala to become super delicious and like a gravy. So this is like a pretty dry gravy dish. Then you're going to add in your ginger as well as your green chilies. Let that cook in a little bit. And then you're going to add in the fried onions. This is what's going to really bring everything together. That's sweet, spicy. It's really, really delicious. And let that cook a little bit until your onions break down, about 5 to 10 minutes. And then you want your masala to look something like this. And then just like that. So the onions are still a little whole, but they've cooked down a lot. And then you're going to add in your remainder of your green chilies as well as all of your coriander. And then I'm just going to put the lid back on and leave that on the dum for about 2 to 3 minutes, just so that you can get all the aromas of the spices and the herbs together. And there we go. That's it. Done. Amazing. Serve this with some naans, some rice even. I like to pair it with dal as well. And make sure you try this out this Eid. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.